Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all safe and good at your home. In this video, I will show you how to make an hologram projector at your home in just 5 to 10 minutes. It is very easy and cheap too. Only thing you need is a water bottle, and you have to cut the edges of the water bottle like this. Make sure that the edges of the bottle is smooth and firm so that you will get a better illusion effect. Yes, that's it. This is the hologram. Put your hologram projector on center of your smartphone and play some videos. For this we need some hologram videos. You can go to YouTube. There you can search hologram videos. You can find lots of 4-side hologram videos there. So now you can go to the next step for the illusion. Make sure to turn off your room light for the better observation. You can feel like it's a very soothing experience, very relaxing experience. You can feel the hologram on your mobile. Try to do this, and thank you for watching.